right, guys, it's feeding time. Oh, look at this guy. He wants. Do you want to be on my dinner plate, buddy? Permit or eating fish, guys? Look at the permit eating fish. Look, guys, cubera snapper have that. Look at the teeth on this thing. Oh, redfish. Dude, we got here at the right time. This is one of the coolest tanks I've ever seen. Hey guys, welcome to Watch Your Lip. It's David Fine here with my boy, Lorenzo. We're here at Gumbo Limbo Nature Center. This is my old stomping ground. Permit or eating fish, guys. Look at the permit eating fish. Oh, redfish. Outdoor aquariums that way.
Yes.
Okay, let's go to outdoor aquariums. We'll skip right to the good stuff. Okay, let's see what we got here, guys. Oh, dude, check it out. Hello. Check it out. Oh, look. Look at him, man.
What is that?
That is a loggerhead sea turtle.
No, not the sea turtle. What are those?
Sheep's head.
Oh, no, those aren't.
Those are sheep's head.
Those are sheep's head?
Heck yeah, bro.
Look at those skulls. Look at them.
Maharas.
No,
All right, so guys, check out
Oh my goodness.
sea turtle.
There's a skull. Look.
Yeah, I don't think they're going anywhere, buddy. So they rescue sea turtles here, guys. All right.
That size big.
Oh, look at the sheepies. Big sheep. That dude, that was like an 8-pound sheep's head.
Imagine.
Look at these guys. Look at the moharas, dude.
That's more like a normal size.
See that sheep's head?
Big sheep's head.
That sheep's head right there has gotta be. He's gotta be 8-10 pounds.
Whoa.
Oh, he just came up and breathed. There's a catfish.
Yeah, that's kind of. Yes, that's kind of.
Sheepies. Look at that, man. That loggerhead's happy, man. I'll bet there's something to this. They have living coral in this tank. Seagrass. That looks like a goldfish, but it's not because this is a saltwater tank. All right, they have some skates. Little stingray action going.
Parrotfish.
Parrotfish. Water's nice and clear. Look at how the stingray just cruises in and out of the seaweed. Plants himself there. Okay, yeah, this tank is finding me. I'm wanting more. Look downs.
I would so go fishing.
I'm sure you. Oh, look at that bad boy. Sheepy.
Oh, that's a bigger one.
Blue runners.
The fillets that thing.
Oh yeah. Oh, here they come. Look like here they come. Here they come.
Oh wow. Don't we catch those though? Because they're interesting.
They are.
Yeah, they are. They're cool to look at. So now we know that if we ever get a saltwater tank, it's a good tank fish.
That's where you need to keep Lorenzo when you're in a tank like this, on the other side of a fence. Because he'll find a way to put a hole in the fish. All right, we got another tank here. Hi.
Hi there.
We're gonna have a feeding here soon, right?
Yep, in about 10 minutes.
In 10 minutes? Oh yeah, look at you. Oh.
Wasn't there a tarpon in here?
Tarpons are in the shipwreck tent.
Oh, there's another tank. I like it. And what are our little bait fish up here?
The little silver ones?
What are they called?
The little silver ones up top?
Yes.
Those are silver size.
They are silver size.
Those are the ones we were using yesterday.
For bait?
Yeah. They were a lot smaller than those though.
No, but they're definitely the ones.
That's the same one we were using?
Definitely.
That guy turned upside down. Parrotfish eating a coral. Look at him.
Where?
He was just chewing on something off the coral.
Caribbean shark. Oh, you poop.
Yeah, they do. Okay. The tank that has all of the people around it.
Oh, there's a permit.
Permit?
Yeah, there's a permit.
Oh yeah, bro. Look at that.
It's crazy.
Look at, he's a big boy too. Nice. Nice.
We cut bigger though.
There's a big old mango.
Yeah, there's a bunch of mangoes. Makes me want to catch them. Oh, there's a hogfish.
Hogfish?
The hogfish.
Look at that mango right there, boy. Oh, tasty.
The fillet tarpon. There it is.
Permit, dude. Look at the permit.
Oh my god.
Oh, permit. Look at him staying on top.
That's weird. I thought he would be on the bottom.
Look at him. Oh, there's a hogfish. Big boy. Well, hi.
Hi.
How you doing? Hello. Look at that. That's a big old lane snapper.
Oh my god.
Dude.
Look at it. Oh my gosh.
It's like a side of a ship.
It's called the shipwreck cake. Look at that permit.
Perms.
Dude, that's like
Alright.
a 30, 40
That's a
pound
nice
tarpon.
tarpon. Yeah, he's about 40 pounder. Some big mango. This probably gets a good 5 pound mangrove, 4 or 5 pound mangroves. Ooh, horseye. Horseye. What's
There's
up?
the Jack Crevalle.
Is there a Jack Crevalle? Oh, there's a Jack Crevalle there.
There's a snook.
Schnookums?
There's
Big
a
one?
snook. Yeah, good one. Two
Oh, look at the
snooks.
cuda.
Where?
Look at the barracuda.
Oh, that's a nasty one.
Oh, he's all deformed.
Yeah, what happened to his face?
He got his face ripped, bro.
Dude, I
Look
think
at
we caught
that.
him.
Look at that bear, bro.
Look at the dude's tail.
That's a
Look at that
big
hogfish's
bear.
tail. Look at that hogfish's tail when he turns around.
I wonder what happened to that hogfish, guys. Bet he ran into that barracuda. He ran into the business end of that barracuda.
Dude, there's two snook. I want to go check out.
Yeah. Whoa.
Whoa.
That was weird.
He's smiling.
He's smiling.
Let's go check out the snook.
Dude, that permit's at least 30 pounds. Dude, look at the size of this permit.
Dude, these fish.
Big boy.
These
Two
fish,
big boys.
Look at that cuda.
Yeah, that cuda. The cuda's got like this really weird face.
He's deformed.
Looks like he's got like he's had some kind of an issue.
Dude, that's a 50, 60
Yeah,
pound.
that's like probably a 30, 40 pound cuda.
What?
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah.
Oh. Hog.
Oh, look at the hogfish. Oh, he's beautiful.
How do they live without not deep water? Parrotfish. That's a big mango right
Wow. Redfish. There's a red.
there. Roger.
There's Raj. Oh, look at this guy. You want to be on my dinner plate, buddy boy?
He swam away when he did that. Let's go check out the snook.
Where is he?
Over here.
Lorenzo says there's a snook over here, guys. Where's that? The snook just chilling?
Right here. Go over here.
Oh, look at him.
That's a slot.
He's a slot.
That's a slot. Dude, that's a black snook.
See. 9,
Oh.
18. He's a slot. He's in there. This is a research lab. I think it's FAU funded.
Yeah, it
Florida
is.
Atlantic, yeah. So there's more snook.
Central Palms.
Central
Why
Palms.
why do you think they hang out over here though? Oh, look at the permit yawning.
He's yawning. He just yawned. They even have a mutton. They even got a mutton. That's a nice big lane though.
Parrotfish.
Big lane.
The Central Palms and
Big
Decimales.
mutton.
Look downs.
Big schoolmaster.
Horseye Jack. Look at that Horseye Jack.
Schoolmasters.
Where?
Oh.
Oh, they're feeding.
Feeding time. Oh, cool.
Oh.
All right, guys, it's feeding time. They didn't tell us it was going to happen, but we got permit.
Oh my
Eating.
gosh.
Permit are eating fish, guys. Look at the permit eating fish.
Oh, the redfish. Oh my
Dude,
gosh.
we got here at the right time,
Oh,
bro.
look down.
Look at the permit.
Oh my gosh, the permits.
Permit are going crazy, bro.
I haven't seen a snook come up and eat it though. Did you see a tarpon eat one?
The tarpon were going nuts.
The Horseye Jack.
This is so cool.
Dude, look at the permit. Going
Yeah,
ham.
permit's going crazy, bro. Cubera.
Dude, look at the cubera.
Cubera.
Oh my god. That's a real snapper.
That's a real snapper. Redfish.
Tarpon.
Oh my gosh. Tarpon Snook Redfish right there. Hogfish.
Another tarpon.
This is one of the coolest tanks I've ever seen. Look at the perm. Perm. Big perm.
Dude.
Even the loggerhead sea turtle.
Dude, that's it?
The loggerhead sea turtle's down the bottom eating fish too,
That's
guys.
all
Look
they
at that.
put in there? Dude, my fish tank eats more than that.
Lorenzo feeds his fish tank more than these guys just ate.
Oh. Oh my, look at the chub. Look at that big chub. Cinch prunes.
But look at the sea turtle. Sea turtle's getting down there, man. Look at how he's bracing himself with his little flippers.
Look at that redfish. That's it?
Cubera's got a big old chunk.
Oh, you see?
Oh, you just spit it up. Oh, you just
Where's the
ate it again.
cubera?
That's a
It's checking all the bottom.
Hello,
What's up, Mr. Red?
Dude, that's the closest we'll probably ever get to.
Yeah, the closest we've ever been to a redfish is right there.
Oh, they're fighting. She said, hey, give me that piece of food.
Which one?
The two stingrays.
We're still
The cubera.
each other.
They were.
That was
The
me.
guy that was working here, he said that they have to make sure that they have enough food to feed everybody. Otherwise, they all kind of start fighting with each other.
Oh, they'll start eating each other.
Yeah.
Heck yeah.
Especially that barracuda.
Especially the barracuda.
Yeah, with the sharks.
Look at that. That's a 5-foot barracuda probably. Oh, he's gonna go for it.
You're right. Get back here. Get back here.
Oh, yeah. Wait.
Hold on.
That would be the world record.
Hold on. No.
That's a cubera.
I think it's a cubera. Yeah, it's a cubera.
That would have been. Then I would have physically jumped in.
Yeah, cubera snapper.
If that was a mangrove, I would have physically
Look,
jumped in. The
guys,
tank.
cubera snapper have that. Look at the teeth on this thing.
That if that was a mangrove snapper, I would have jumped in.
Big cubera.
Look, that. I look down and it's
That look down is blind.
Perm.
Big perm.
Oh my gosh.
What a cool tank, huh?
Yeah. That's all they.
Redfish wants
They're
something
following
to do, bro.
me. I wish his ancestors.
That's the closest you're ever gonna get to a redfish, right there, buddy.
You think?
Yeah, bro.
We'll see about
We'll see about that. You think you're gonna catch one soon?
Yeah. Cubera.
Oh, I want a cubera.
I'll catch a cubera.
What's up, Red? What's up, Big Red?
Oh, what? That was so less impressive.
Oh.
That was so less impressive.
Spanish hogfish, guys.
Where?
This guy right. The porcupine fish. That's a monster. That's the guy that eats all our crabs when we're permit fishing. Monster. Queen angels, French angels. Oh, there's a Spanish hogfish right there. Spanish hogfish are not as big as our other hogfish, but they're actually good to eat. And there's no limit on them.
Really?
Yep. Look at this big dog.
Pretty.
Big dog barracuda. And a permit.